Hello guys, today's video we're gonna fighting two powerful monsters. One is God of Fire, the Fire God, and second is King of Void, Killer of Golden Death. Name is Void Ghidorah. What if these two monsters get fight with each other? Who will win? Let's get find out. So without getting late, let's get start the video. First of all, we talk about Void Ghidorah. Ghidorah is an extra-dimensional alien being. He was originated by Void, by the absorbing energy. Ghidorah has a not of full form, but he was a pure energy by made them. Now let's talk when the harbor summoned by metaphysics connection. Ghidorah was arrived and gave many humans to eat them. And ghidorah has a lot of powers and abilities. Ghidorah has intangible body. In this form, nobody can touch them, and this form, these attacks was waste. Portal creation. He create portal to going one dimension to another dimension. Shape and size shifting. He can change over their body shape or size. And he has wings beam, gravity laser strike, gravity manipulation, energy absorption, reality manipulation, timeline manipulation, and space-time ability, and dark power that makes truly invincible to Ghidorah. And Void Ghidorah has many immortal beings. He was very immortal, and nobody can defeat them when he not come in physical form. Now let's talk about Fire God. Fire God is a giant fire demonic monster. He was originated by the Son of Fire and Worth of God of Gods. Fire God is a powerful monster that has lots of demonic powers like fireball blast from hands, mouth fire plasma breath, eyes lasers, fire bottom ring on head. That shoot 10 fire laser, fireball corruption mind, fire beams from his lower part of body, burning power, intangible heat, super hellfire speed, and backfire attack that gave lethal damage. And his claws was very functional in battle. Fire God can manipulate their fire tornado, lava manipulation, pyrokinesis, nuclear pulse, temperature manipulation, and the temperature acquisition. Fire God can smell their fear and shoot fire pulse or creating holographic shield and shoot fireball blast, fire atomic breath, and that's make powerful. And here's heat spiral ray that can burn their ashes and shells. And if fire gods fire Ghidorah can easily beat them because fire gods can defeated by other monster, but Void Ghidorah defeat easily than Fire God, and Fire God have no chance to stand against Void Ghidorah. So today's match winner is Void Ghidorah. Who will win? Give comments in your opinion. So if you watch until the end, like this video, subscribe my channel, and turn on bell notification so you don't miss any update. So thank you guys. Thanks watching my video.